Hello everyone! Welcome to Jen's Vlog. For today's video, our flight going to Finland with my sister. So this is my first time. First time going to Finland with my sister. So ayan, ready na ang aming mga bagahe. And it was 23 kilograms lang. And 10 kilograms of hand carry. Nag-check out na kami sa reception and then we book our Grab going to Terminal 2 in Naiya. While waiting here, and nilabas na namin yung mga bagahe namin while waiting sa Grab. So ayan. Maya-maya dumating na nga yung Grab. Ayan, so nakasakay na kami going to Terminal 2. Siguro mga 30 minutes lang from our accommodation to Terminal 2. So, ayan, nandito na nga kami sa Naiya Terminal 2 departure. Pero yung sister ko, inaanda niya yung friend niya. Imimit niya dito. So, mahaga pa naman. We have a lot of time before the check-in. At syempre, kumain muna kami sa Jollibee for our lunch with my sister friend. Kumain muna kami and then after 20 minutes, nagyaya na akong mag-check-in kasi dadaan pa ako sa immigration at ang haba ng pila doon sa immigration at kailangan naming timbangin ang aming mga bagahe for sure na 23 kilograms before mag-check-in. So ayan, nandito na nga kami nakapila sa check-in. Finally, nakalabas na ako ng immigration. Wala nang masyadong maraming tanong nung ipinakita ko yung residence permit ko. So, ang bilis lang. Pinakita ko lang yon at may konting tanong lang like kailan ko kinuha yung residence permit ko. And then after that, okay na. At lumabas na ako mula sa immigration at nandito ako ngayon nakaupo. Inaantay ko na lang yung kapatid ko. And we have 2 hours before the flight. Thanks God, walang masyadong maraming tanong sa immigration. Kaya nakahinga ako ng maluwag. And then, nagpasya akong maglakad-lakad muna. And while waiting my sister. At napadpad ako sa Goldilocks dito sa loob ng Terminal 2. So, ayan, napaka-expensive ng kanilang dried mangoes. Iba't ibang price. May 320, may 560. Sobrang napakamahal. Finally, dumating na yung sister ko. And habang nag-aantay kami ng time, nag-charge muna ako ng cellphone ko. And finally, boarding time. Pumasok na kami sa loob ng plane with our boarding pass. And our seat number 73 sa pinakadolo, OMG. So, this is our second lunch. Our lunch time. So, nagbibigay sila ng drinks also. After 3 hours and 45 minutes, dumating kami sa Singapore, sa Changi Airport. So, ayan. Ang ganda ng airport nila, guys. Malinis and then all the way with carpet. Medyo maaga pa nang dumating kami dito, maliwanag pa yung paligid. At bawal din kumuha ng mga videos lalo na sa kanilang immigration. Kapag malapit na kayo doon, don't make a video. Like what happened to me, nilapitan ako ng isang staff at pinadelete sa akin yung video. And I say sorry. So ayan, hinahanap na namin yung connecting flight namin at nakuha na din namin yung aming boarding pass from Singapore to Finland. Here we are now in what's the pronunciation? Changi Airport, Singapore Airport. How's the feeling?
The feeling is finally I have two boarding pass.
Yeah, we have our boarding pass already. And
Just
waiting for
our
3 hours.
no 1 hour. I think 8 o'clock. 8 something.
Our flight before 3 hours. So malapit na.
Yeah. So we have still 1 hour to wait.
So, a lot of vacant seats here. So, we are waiting for other passengers to arrive here. Finally, here we are inside the airplane now going to Finland. And I'm so happy because I have my window seat so that I can see the view from outside and a lot of beautiful lights there. And you know that I love making videos, syempre. And I'm happy that I can see a beautiful view from here. Magagandang mga buildings with lights. And I'm comfortable now with my seat. This is our meal, our dinner in Finnair. Yes. Good morning. Eating our breakfast here. We have egg omelette and potatoes, sausage, and coffee. After breakfast, watching Harry Potter. And my sister watching also. I don't know the title. Siya nga pala guys, I want to tell you my first travel from Philippines to Finland. From Naiya, sa check-in, nag-check-in muna ako and then after that, pinabayad nila ako ng travel tax na 1,620 pesos. After nagbayad ako ng travel tax, bumalik ako sa check-in at binigay na nila sa akin yung boarding pass ko. And after boarding pass, nagpila na ako doon sa immigration. Medyo kinakabahan pa ako kasi akala ko madami mga interviews like that. Pero nung dumating ako doon, wala nang maraming interviews guys. Pinakita ko lang yung residence visa ko and then wala na maraming tanong. Ay maliban sa residence permit ko, binigay ko rin yung CFO certificate ko. Yan yung certificate na nakuha ko sa seminar sa CFO and that is very required. At saka gumawa din ako ng e-travel pero hindi nila ako hiningian ng e-travel pero yung iba hiningian kaya dapat meron ka talagang e-travel na isa-submit din just in case na hihingian ka nila. And pagdating sa Singapore, doon sa lounge, hihingian ka nila ng residence permit na lang and then yung boarding pass mo from Philippines. Saka kanila bibigyan ng boarding pass from Singapore to Finland. Hihingiin din nila yung passport mo, syempre that is very important. I'm very thankful kasi very smooth lang yung travel namin at hindi masyadong napagod kahit hindi kami nakatulog ng maayos. Maybe 4 hours lang yung tulog namin pero okay na. And very smooth lang yung travel namin. Walang masyadong problema.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond.
Finally, landing here in Helsinki Airport. So ngayon medyo parang kinakabahan ako na hindi ko maintindihan dahil maghihiwalay na yung landas namin ng sister ko. Kasi yung sister ko from Helsinki meron siyang connecting flight to Oulu. Medyo malayo pa siya. So ako dito lang ako sa Helsinki and my husband waiting there in the arrival area with his parents. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi this is my first time meeting them. And I think dadaan pa ako sa immigration ng Finland. Syempre, ibibigay ko yung residence permit ko ulit. And then, after that, in the luggage area, kailangan kong kunin yung luggage ko doon sa conveyor kung saan yung arrival. I finally arrived here in Helsinki Airport. I'm waiting for my sister. Ano siya, oh. Dali, Adan! Shh. Faster! So, I'm going to the exit and she's going to transfer flight. How's the feeling? I'm always
good.
asking you, but you didn't ask me.
I asked you a while ago. You answered yeah.
A little bit malamig here.
How's your feeling?
It feels a little bit nervous.
And are you excited?
Konti lang. A little bit.
And then
What?
tervetuloa Suomessa.
Kiitos
Yan.
paljon.
Honey, maybe we're gonna walk mile. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sobrang malamig. Oh,
Abi
somebody.
ko hindi ko ramig.
Malamig yung kamay ko lang. Because I don't have wearing something.
What can slip out of Finland?
Malinis ang airport. Beautiful. Tsaka malinis ang CR.
Tapos may bookshelf, walang laman.
Ha?
May bookshelves, pero walang laman.
Saan dyan?
Ayun, walang laman. Magana guys.
Ay, saan
34
tayo?
ako na, wait lang.
44?
34.
Sa unahan pa.
Exit, ikaw na nga, the first
Oo.
Pwede dapat sa kanakan.
Hindi ko na.
Pwede mo tawas sa kanakan. Tapos bagahin
So,
mo pa bilan.
maghihiwalay ang landas namin.
Oo.
She's going to
So,
the
I'm going to the
transfer flight.
Where's that? Continue, I mean.
And me going to exit. To immigration and
But wala
to
akong makita exit.
my claim baggage. To claim my baggage.
Manang, bigay. Ano, hindi, pag ano ha.
So, ayan, diniretso ko lang yung arrivals. Papuntang exit. So, ayan guys, palabas na ako. OMG. Kinakabahan ako konti.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step to go beyond